and welcome to City Scoop, where we share news straight from the streets. I am Anushka.
And I'm Anshita, and today we are diving into a case that has taken the streets of Delhi by a storm,
The controversial stray dog case.
and a twist of events that includes the Chief Minister of Delhi. Let's start with what happened.
A few weeks ago, Delhi witnessed a wave of tension as the Supreme Court directed that all the stray dogs must be removed from the street and should be kept in the animal shelter. This order was passed after numerous complaints of dog attacks which sparked fear in the residential colonies.
But this verdict didn't sit well with everyone. Animal rights activists and NGOs strongly opposed this move, calling it impractical and inhuman. They further argued that shelters are already overcrowded and this would lead to suffering for the animals.
Social media exploded with opinions. Hashtags like Save Strays and Justice for Dogs trended for days. For many people, this wasn't just a legal issue, but an emotional one.
According to the latest updates, the Supreme Court has revised its earlier order. Instead of keeping the dogs in shelters indefinitely, the strays are to be vaccinated and sterilized and returned to the very areas they came from.
The court further instructed the civic authorities to set up designated feeding zones and run public awareness campaigns and also take measures for the dogs who are showing aggressive behavior and rabies symptoms. All the dogs will stay under medical supervision.
This verdict attempts to strike a balance, addressing public safety without denying animals their rights to live freely. But not everyone is convinced. Some residents fear that returning dogs to colonies might lead to more attacks.
While this debate raged on, another headline grabbed attention. On 20th August 2025, the Delhi CM Rekha Gupta was assaulted during a weekly hearing at her civil lines residence.
The attacker, identified as Rajesh Sakaria from Rajkot, posed as a complainant. He walked up to the CM with papers, then suddenly slapped her, pushed her, and pulled her hair before being restrained by security. The CM is now hospitalized and recovering.
The police registered an attempt to murder case, and the investigation unfolds that this wasn't an impulsive decision. The CCTV footages shows that the accused was investigating about the chief minister's residence few days before the attack.
What's more shocking, his family claims that he is a passionate dog lover deeply upset by the previous Supreme Court order. While the motive is still under investigation, the connection between personal outrage and policy has raised serious concerns. Now, let's take a few opinions
On this matter about the stray dogs.
Hello and welcome to City Scoop. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Rigved Rai.
Are you aware about the Supreme Court's recent order on the stray dogs of Delhi?
Yes, I'm aware about the case.
Do you think it is ethical to remove the stray dogs in the name of safety?
My answer will be kind of bad because yes and no at the same time. Because in some cases, it might be important for the dogs to get a shelter, to get a home, like a proper home. But at the same time, we need to keep in mind about the people and how important they are to the people of the society. For example, if there is a dog that you have been feeding since like you were very young, and then that dog is suddenly taken into a shelter, your heart is bound to be broken, of course, because they hold such emotions with you. So yes and no.
What do you think should be done to prevent this type of conflicts in future?
According to me, I think that what the Supreme Court has done in the end is a good solution, because they are not taking the dogs into the shelters. They're not they're not harming the people's mental health in a way, like not exactly, but in a way. And it's better to just sterilize them and just vaccinate them.
Thank you so much, Rigved, for sharing your thoughts with us.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Alankrita Biswas.
So, are you aware about the stray dog case that is in the light for a long time?
Yes, I'm aware of the case.
Do you think it was fair to take away all the dogs from their original place?
Personally, I kind of support the Supreme Court's order because it's not just about our emotions, it's about safety. And to be honest, the government won't take so much steps to sterilize and vaccinate each and every dog, because it's technically not possible. So keeping them in shelter was a better idea. I know that shelters might not be that much good, but we can work on that. The dog lovers or the people who are running dog shelters, they can kind of help the government to take such measures and take care of the dogs. So I personally support the Supreme Court's order.
Thank you so much, Alankrita, for sharing your opinion.
Thank you.
So, what do we see here? A legal decision which was taken to protect the citizens sparked an emotional storm and even allegedly a violent reaction.
This story reflects how civic issues such as managing stray dogs can become highly sensitive and political. At its heart, it's about finding the right balance between public safety and animal security.
That's it for today's edition of City Scoop. The debate of stray dogs is far from over.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more stories that matter.